Introduce highlight features or overview summary of HOMGIM under desk elliptical machine. There are features include 2-in-1 auto and manual modes. Choose between 12-level manual speed control or 3 automatic programs, P1 to P3, to customize your workout. The bidirectional pedals, forward and backward motion, target different muscle groups, helping you burn calories, improve cardiovascular health, and strengthen muscles. Low impact, joint-friendly exercise. Ideal for seniors, office workers, or anyone in leg rehabilitation, this underdesk elliptical provides a low-intensity, zero-pressure workout. It promotes muscle recovery, improves circulation, and helps your legs adapt and recover quickly. Ultra-quiet operation. Featuring advanced sound dampening technology, this elliptical operates noiselessly even at high speeds. Enjoy a distraction-free workout at home or in the office without disturbing others. Convenient remote control. The included remote control lets you adjust settings effortlessly without bending over, reducing strain on your back. Stay seated while working or relaxing and still get the exercise you need. Compact and space-saving design. Designed to fit under most desks, this elliptical is perfect for small spaces. Its lightweight and portable design allows you to exercise anytime, anywhere. LCD display for real-time tracking. Monitor your progress with the clear LCD display, which shows speed, distance, time, and calories burned. Stay motivated by tracking your fitness goals in real time. Senior-friendly and easy to use. No assembly required, lightweight, and easy to move, this elliptical is perfect for seniors and individuals with limited mobility. Its thoughtful design ensures a comfortable and accessible workout experience. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.